folks, Ben Hanlon here with Forest River's Cherokee article, and we're here to go through the all-new 3910 Suite. Now this is a brand new floor plan for us, okay? This is an amazing couples coach front living room. Can't wait to show you the inside. Let's start on the outside though with the amazing new graphics package, upgraded look for 2023. Look at the RV45 reflective windows. This is going to allow it to reflect more light. So one, it gives you privacy. Two is it keeps the heat up. But three, you still allow some natural light in without sacrificing those things so your camper doesn't feel dark and dingy. Look at all of the exterior storage. You're going to have the nicer stairs coming in, one touch auto leveling. You already know about that. We've upgraded the Gerard on-demand water heaters this year. So you're going to have unlimited hot water for showers, for cleaning, tire pressure monitors on the stems. Most front living rooms, you don't have, look at all the spawning space over here and off the back. But look at this camp kitchen. How many times do you wish you had outside cooking on a front living room? This is amazing. You have the sink, you have the fridge, you have the ice maker, you have the cooktop, right? All the things to help you enjoy your campsite outside, which is a lot of times we want to be amazing inside, and we'll talk about that later. One of the problems with a front living room is sometimes you don't have as much storage as you would like to have. Look at this exterior storage with 3 levels of entry and tons of depth for versatile storage so that you can make sure that whatever you want to take with you. Now this year we've also added the rear ladder prep so you can get up on it easier. You're going to have backup camera mounted and installed, so that way if you want to back to your driveway or campsite, it's so much easier. You can see what you're doing. Solar already mounted, installed, 100-watt panel, ready to go. Let's go check out the inside. So now that we're inside the all-new 3910, this is the focal point, the front living room. Look at all this space. You've got tons of seating, tons of open space for entertaining, for sitting, for enjoying your camping life. No sacrificing anything you want to do up here. Great view of the TV, tons of storage. Tri-fold sofas that both will fold out at the same time so you can use them together if you want to expand your sleeping capacity. Theater seats with heat and massage directly across. Second air already up here, 15K air, that's huge. You're going to notice no carpeting up here, so that way we can try and make sure that we get you as little of that as possible. As we come down into the kitchen, we haven't sacrificed here either. You're going to have freestanding table and chairs. You're going to have the bigger fridge, nice counter space, tons of extra counter space on this end, full storage on that end. But look at this. You're going to have a half bath down here. Okay, so you don't have to have everyone coming and using your master bath. You're going to be able to have this for guests, for whoever else you might want. If you just don't want to go through your whole camper, it's available to you as well. Right now, as we come back here, not only do you have extra storage for the kitchen here, where a lot of campers will not have this, super deep, super large, right? But also, look at this master bedroom and bathroom. This ensuite bathroom is amazing. Look at all this storage. This whole wall comes here. You still have walk-around space on the sides of the bed where you don't have to crawl out of the foot of the bed to get out, so that way you can make sure that you don't disturb your spouse or whatever when you're trying to get out. When you come back to the bathroom, look at this. I have room to change my clothes. I have room to dry off. I've got dual vanities, right? I'm going to have extra storage here. Again, the oversized shower that you've come to know. Extra space, super durable. Check out how strong that is, right? And I can have full access in and out. Nicer fan, porcelain foot flush toilet. Look at this extra storage, washer, dryer prep. There's nothing that you have to sacrifice with the 3910, one of our most versatile campers. Happy camping.